subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The new Oppo F19s is now official in India, and although it is similar to earlier launched Oppo F19 smartphone, but it comes in a new color options. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo F19s features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate and up to 180Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU, and it packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that is expandable up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo F19s supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, and on the software front, it runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.3 by 73.8 by 7.95mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo F19s has been priced in India at 19,990 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in glowing black and glowing gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo F19s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.